What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a battery relocation kit on an SN95 Mustang. This kit is extremely easy to install. I bought this personally on eBay, but you can get the same exact kit from American Muscle, LMR, and all the other Mustang sites for a lot more money. So I got it on eBay for like 80 bucks. I'll link it down below in the description. It's the same exact kit. Same thing, except you could save some money. So let's go over the kit and see what it comes with. The kit comes with, obviously, the battery box. It's protected really nice. You have various screws, bolts, washers, grommets, other stuff like that. You have your actual battery hold down, your ground strap, and your power cord. And also you got threaded rod and a vent tube. So I got the little platform welded in alongside the fuel cell. But yeah, it's, I don't know how hot this is. It's really solid, so that's a...
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go.
End of the road. Now it's in the battery box, and it's all the way up the front. So what I'll do is start to mount it all along the way and get it to the correct size that I need. I have it ran right on here. It's going up.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going now, I'll give up everything.
The venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all I know.
Are sell for about half the price. I'm all right with the kit. I mean, like, it was missing 2 bolts, but I just used what I had here, so that's not really a big deal. Other than that, I think it was a great little kit to get. Yeah, but the car is coming along. I gotta say, I put the overflow in. I'm now no longer running the expansion tank, which is right here. This is done. That gave me nothing but issues last year, so. Right next to it right here is gonna be my power steering reservoir, which is this, which I'm actually about to install after this video is done. So I'm doing a full AN setup with the power steering as well. The car should make drift season whenever the hell that is, whenever we're allowed back out of our houses again. So that's it for today's video, guys. Like I said, it's down below in the description. Go pick it up if you're looking to relocate your battery. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Peace.